Pre-fire. That's how you pre-fire for sure.
What? Dark? Okay, dark. Everyone, they're with dark. They're with dark. Fred, nobody's there with you. Trust me, they're with dark.
Enemy drone dropping for you have been exposed. The bomb diffuser has been successfully deployed. Op 4, last stop standing.
Camera down somewhere. He's in D.
Careful, there's the clue.
Where's the bomb at?
B.
Whoa, you just saw. Lay down, lay down.
Damn, that's tough.
All friendlies were you have dropped.
Oh my god, hat? What? Huh? What? Oh, duck.
The diffuser is now secured.
You benched me. Thank you.
Oh, but he's in the back,
Let's go.
Op 4 neutralized.
That's a clip. This whole game is the clip. 11 kills, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Scarpo, let's go, baby! 11 kills!
You should have killed that BG.
Did, I killed him there. You happy?
Yep.
3K.
Doc and Sunrise.
The diffuser is bomb has been located.
You're bad. You're bad.
Op 4 eliminated.
I'm just better, dude. I'm literally just better. 7-0. 7-0, homie. 7-0, chat.
Yo, that was a double kill! That was a free double kill!
Bruh, I wasn't expecting me to do that. Oh, I mean, oh my
spiral.
Fred, 2 of them are lit. The last 2 are super lit. This is free.
It's a 2v1. What you mean?
I'll get on cams. Cams are absolutely useless.
Hey, one in connected.
Hey, Twitch is in connected.
Connected, she's entering bang.
Twitch is in A. Last one's A. Last one is A.
Watch cam. Let me know if they go for the future.
Alright, she's watching, what's
She's
it
your
called?
hallway. She's your hallway.
Alright, she's crouch.
She's long desk. Long desk.
Long desk, yeah.
She's stand up.
Let's go, Fred!
Op 4 last operator standing. Op 4 eliminated. You have dropped the diffuser. diffuser has been recovered. Op 4 eliminated.
Activating camera.
Op 4 found a bomb.
Reloading.
You're bad. You're honestly bad.
Clear.
You're bad. You're bad. You're bad. I'm better.
Alright, so what's the name of the song again?
Give me a second. I'm sweating. Oh, dang it. That would have been a freaking ace. Damn it. Got the kill. That was nasty. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna save that clip.
Dude, I'm lagging. Could have got a kill, bro.
Oh my god. That's a clip. That was nasty. Oh my god.